begin with the service agreement. Keep in mind that you have to purchase minimum rupees 200 denomination non-judicial stamp paper for your service agreement. It should be of rupees 200 minimum. If 200 rupees bond paper is not available, you can go for 100 plus 100 or 50 into 4. This total number of pages, the value should sum up to 200 rupees. And please mention your candidate ID on the service agreement. If you don't mention your candidate ID, your service agreement will be rejected. Financial year 2021 and 22 till December batch, and after that, 22 and 23. Yeah. Please mention the financial year correctly. Please mention your date of joining correctly. Make sure your address details are correct. PIN number, door number, area, everything should be correct. Signatures of yourself, that is the engineer, and the surety. The surety will be your parent or legal guardian. That is your father, mother, or legal guardian will be the surety. So your signature and surety signature must be there on all the pages. Each and every page you and your surety has to sign. Coming to the witness section, witness 1 should be left blank for the HR officer to sign. Witness 2 is for your blood relative other than surety, blood relative. If your father has signed as surety, your mother can sign as witness 1 or vice versa. And then your siblings can sign or any blood relative. And witness 3 is for your friend, colleague, or even neighbor. Witness 3 is for your friends and colleagues. Please make sure you download the updated content that has been shared with you through mails or even it's available in the portals. Please make sure you download the updated content and make sure notarization is there on all the pages. In some states, there is an alternative. You can go for that. If not, for all the other states, notarization is mandatory. Notary seal and signature is compulsory on all the pages. And medical certificate is not compulsory for virtual onboarding. People are asking doubts about NSR. There's a dedicated NSR team. Please contact NSR team. Next slide, please. So this is how your service agreement looks like. So you can observe serial number and employee number are blank, and candidate number is mentioned on every page. Please make sure your candidate number and your candidate ID and financial year is mentioned properly. Make sure the seal and signature of notary is there on all the pages, and your signature, that is the engineer's signature, and the surety signature must be there on all the pages. The agreement is between you and the company, so you both are the parties. Please make sure the date of joining is correct and address is correct. You can see in this example, the candidate has used 2 sheets of 100 rupees each, non-judicial stamp papers. Next slide, please. This is the second page. You can see on each and every page the signatures of yourself, that is the engineer, and your surety, that is your father, mother, or legal guardian, has signed. And notary seal and signature is compulsory. Even if the company signature is not there, it's okay. We will accept that. But all the other details have to be filled in. most of the candidates are just uploading empty template. Nothing is filled in there and not notarized, not even franked or stamped. It's not acceptable. It will simply waste your time as well as ours. So please make sure you do everything the right way at the first time itself. Next slide, please. So please make sure the salary structure in your service agreement matches your offer letter. Please match your salary structure with your offer letter before taking the printout. It's very critical. If it's incorrect, if the salary structure is wrong, then your service agreement will get rejected. So please make sure your salary structure matches your offer letter. And there are 8 points in the service agreement. Please read carefully. Next slide, please. One distinguishing keyword that will help you to distinguish between an outdated content uh, uh, for an updated content is the ETA, Education, Training and Assessment Department. In point number 3, you can see ETA, Education, Training and Assessment Department. This should be there on your service agreement. If there is E&R or anything else, then it's outdated or it is not related to your job. So please make sure ETA is mentioned in point number 3 as well as 4 in your service agreement. Next slide, please. So as I've told before, please go through all the 8 points. Your signature, your surety signature, notary seal and signature are compulsory on all the pages. If even if company sign is not there, it's acceptable. Next, please. Yeah. Coming to this section, many mistakes are done over here. Witness 1, please observe, witness 1 is blank. Witness 2 is for blood relative other than surety. And then witness 3 is for your friend, colleague, or neighbor. Please make sure you sign in all the places. In this particular page, you have to sign in 2 places, top right corner as well as the bottom, engineer and surety. And notary seal and signature is compulsory. Many people do mistakes in this witness section. If you have got the signatures in the wrong place, you can go ahead and change the titles. Witness 1, witness 2, that you can change, or you can just simply strike the signature with a single strike and then put a chota signature next to it to cancel it out and validate it. Okay. Next slide, please. Along with your service agreement, you have to attach your Exhibit A. This Exhibit A is compulsory. Notary seal and signature, company signature, even if it's not there, it's okay. Then engineer signature, that's your signature, and surety signature. All of these must be there on Exhibit A. Exhibit A is compulsory. If you want to extend your date of joining, then please write a mail to offer_extension@infosys.com. Then coming to next slide. These are examples of the alternative methods. If you don't get the conventional non-judicial stamp paper, you can go for e-stamp paper as shown in the left side. E-stamp paper worth stamp duty 200 rupees. And candidate ID and financial year, I repeat, must be mentioned. Employee number and serial number can be left blank. Signature of engineer and surety is compulsory on all the pages. Notary seal and signature is compulsory. And on the right side, you can see an example of franking. You can go to the nearest bank, nationalized bank, and your nearest post office, and get stamps worth 200 rupees, or you can go to bank and get it franked for 200 rupees like this on the right hand side. you can fill the service agreement using a pen, or you can get it typed and print out. You take a printout. If you have the employee number, you can write it. If you don't have, you can leave it blank. And financial year changes as the new year is coming. It will apply before this January, it will be 21-22. Then I hope you understood. Signature must be there on all the pages. Fill in all the details correctly. Don't do any mistakes. Salary structure must be correct, and your signatures must be at the right place. Okay.